insane. Used to hang around, do the coochie, 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 sit on parking benches, do the smoochy, smoochy, smoochy. Right now, I'm going insane. My baby left me, why she said goodbye. Got on top of a Greyhound bus and said, I'm gonna make that sucker fly. I'm going insane. It was love and it was wooing, that's what we were doing. Chewing candy canes and going out canoeing, singing a song to Moonlight Bay.
We were singing a song.
Used to do double on the hula, hula, hula. Used to hang around at the Coca-Cola cooler. Right now, I'm going insane. My baby left me, why she said goodbye. Got on top of a Greyhound bus and said, I'm gonna make that sucker fly. I'm going insane. We used to go to the bird sanctuary any time of year except in February. Right now, I'm going insane. I'm going insane. Stop by and say hello. EddieDillon.com